You are welcome to this tutorial. In our tutorial today, we are considering question 35, and this question 35 is drawn from elementary differential and integral calculus questions. And it reads, given that y equals to 2 power x, find y dx. Now, this is a case of what? Of differentiation of exponential function, all right? So the first thing we are going to do, since we're having an exponential function, is to take the natural log of both sides. And how do we write it? We write it as the in of y to equals to the in of 2 power x. Now, this 2 power x that is here, okay, the power that is here, we're going to use it to multiply the log function, which is x in 2. Then on the left side, we still have our in what? Lane y, okay? Now, by the time we differentiate this, all right, if we are having the natural log of any number here, we are going to take the reciprocal of that number. And then, in this case now, since we're having an implicit function, we must put our dy dx here. Now, if we differentiate this, the x will disappear since we are just having just x, which is just 1x. If we differentiate it, it turns to 1. Multiplied by this, it gives us what? In 2. Now, from this place, we cross-multiply this y that is down here to the other side to bring it up here. So we can leave our dy dx to become, here will become y in 2. So from this place here, our dy dx can now be said to be equals to y. Y is has a value which is 2 power what? X. So we replace it here, 2 power x, then in 2. And this is going to give us the answer to this question. I hope